to all my forward-thinking entrepreneurs. It's Issa again, and I'm here to drop a couple more gems on you because why not, It's Sunday today, and I was just, doing some research and, some work stuff because like you guys, I'm an entrepreneur, and as you know, every day is like a work day. Every day you just invested, so you continuously always have to work. It's not 9 to 5, it's 24 hours kind of, because it's on your mind, and when you wake up you come up with an idea, you want to put things in anyway. So that was what my Sunday has started off to be, and I was just thinking in my head that this is what entrepreneurs go through, like on the daily, like from the moment that we wake up. Most of us, hopefully all of us, it's supposed to be, it's constantly on our mind. We're constantly like thinking and trying to act and just always, adding and putting more energy into this idea, into this vision, into what we want to create. Because like I said before, it's, you're creating this job, career, whatever, product, whatever services, whatever you're trying to do out of thin air. So you're putting all of your energy into it. And what, you know by science and physics and all this, and when you put energy into something, it grows, it makes it bigger. I mean, if you've ever studied anything about energy, you can understand that. And so in business, you realize that your goal is, and this is everybody's goal, is to have your vision be recognized, accepted, and believed in by the general public, by other people. Because the more people who believe and invest into your idea, into your product, into what you're doing, the bigger it grows, because that's more people putting in their energy into it. And the more energy, the bigger it grows. So I just kind of was thinking about that, and was thinking about this notion of how much energy do we put into it, and how do we get more people to invest their energy and put their energy into it, and all that. So I just kind of wanted to make a quick video talking about just that, of the idea of what it really is to be an entrepreneur. And that is, a transfer of energies. You're trying to get as much energy behind your idea and to make it come to life. And that's with any and everything. I think it's one of the laws of the universe. I mean, that's how the world works. I mean, you can see it even in television when a show, they'll do like a preseason or like pilots. That's why pilots are there, is for people to they put their energy in it, and then they put it out to see how much energy they can get back from it. And the more people who watch it, the more energy that obtains, the more that it'll grow. And if it doesn't get that energy, then it dies, and shows get canceled. So it's the same thing in business and entrepreneurship, in your business and my business, is how much energy are we putting in. That's one part. And then how much energy are we getting from an outside source, from other people, because we need other people to put their energy in it so it can grow bigger, because our energy alone can't do it. And that's the sense of knowing that teamwork make the dream work. If you have a team, you can accomplish a lot of things rather than doing it just by yourself. So if you have more people believing in you, you can accomplish more and do things. So I mean, I hope that helped somebody who was just thinking about entrepreneurship, and kind of putting in that energy and what that is and what you're trying to do, and how you're trying to what essentially down the line, the foundation of what you're trying to do as an entrepreneur. That's the foundation that you have to understand. Is all a transfer of energies. If you put in energy, you want other people to put in that energy, so then it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger, and you're able to grow and take it to the next level. So I hope that was I mean, it wasn't really a tip. It was kind of just like a realization that I had. So I hope that helped, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm gonna be, pushing more and more videos out because, why keep the gems to yourself? You have to share knowledge, and I love doing that. And I learned so much from mentors and learned so much from other YouTubers and just people out there. So I just wanted to do my part and give back and help whoever I can help. So leave a comment down below if this is helpful, and how do you gain energy, and let's start the conversation on that, on energy. Why not? So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.